Hello everyone, welcome back to Shulin Anubha Academy. I'm Anubha, a corporate trainer. So guys, today we are going to discuss the very important interview question, that is the difference between abstract classes and interfaces in Java. So guys, both abstract classes and interfaces are the tools used to achieve the abstraction in Java, but they serve different purposes and have the distinct characteristics. Like the abstract classes can have both the abstract and the concrete methods, but interfaces primarily have the abstract methods only. But from Java 8 onwards, they can also have default and static methods with implementations. A class can extend only one abstract class. On the other hand, a class can implement multiple interfaces. So it is providing the facility to actually implement multiple inheritance. An abstract class can have the instance variables, but in interfaces you can only have the public static final variables, that means the static constants. Abstract classes can have the constructors, but interfaces cannot have the constructors. Abstract class methods can have any visibility like public, protected, private, but interface methods are implicitly public. Private methods are allowed from Java 9 onwards although. So guys, these are the differences between the abstract classes and interfaces in Java, which is again very important. So please everyone, like, share and subscribe for more related videos. Thank you so much.